Hey everyone, want to accept PayPal payments on your big cartel store? It's quick and easy. Let me show you how to set it up in under a minute. Log into your big cartel dashboard and head to the account settings. After that, click on payments from the menu. Here you will see the option to connect PayPal as payment method. After that, click on Connect PayPal and log in with your PayPal account credentials. Make sure your PayPal account is set up to accept payments. Once connected, review your settings and save. And that's it. Your customers can now pay using PayPal. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.